it is that time of year again. These are no longer frozen, which is great news. So I'm going to be pulling out all of my Christmas stuff out of my 2 Christmas planters, and we're going to be planting up some pansies that have been hardening off out in the backyard. So let's get going. I made progress. I put everything back in the bag, so that's going to go up into the attic for next year. But these pine cones are so wet. They're just soaking wet right now, so I'm going to let those dry out before they go in the bag. Otherwise they're going to get nasty and moldy and all that. But they look pretty good. Now it's time to go work in the front bed. Alright, so I'm just going to come in the front. I'm just going to pull up a few things that are kind of looking a little bit messy, tidy it up a little bit, and pull stuff out of this. We're going to be planting this planter up with the pansies. And I put that plant pot there. I'm going to stand these guys up. So we're just going to do a little bit of some tidying up, and I'll show you what that's going to look like when I'm done, because it's kind of raining and I don't want the camera out. So here are my trays to choose from. I have a whole tray of pansies here, another whole tray of pansies here. On this one I have, this is the Sabrina Malva, and I believe these are stalks. Another small, these are the pansies. These pansies are still in the small blocks though. And then this tray here, this is the one that has like the foxgloves and the snapdragons and strawflower. So I might just do a couple foxgloves here. I doubt they're going to bloom for me this year, but they still have some nice foliage that I can put in the front. The rest are probably going to go in the back. These planters I think are just going to be pansies, because in about, I don't know, 5 or 6 weeks we'll be swapping it out for summer planters anyways, so I don't want to have to move any of the bigger plants, but the pansies do fine when I swap them out into the landscape after. And then over here I just pulled up some, some dead stuff. I didn't do too much. It's still early and a lot of it will get covered with the ground cover, but I cleaned it up a bit. So I'm going to kind of reposition the house a bit, and then that's going to get all full of pansies. One of these days I'm going to get the pansy bowl of my dreams, so maybe this is the year, we'll see. But all of the rest of the stuff is just doing really good. My crocuses are beautiful. Got some really tiny snowdrops over there. And then we got tons of tulips and daffodils coming up, so very exciting. And we do have a couple cold nights in the forecast, but I think they're going to be just fine. So this is mainly pansies, and then I put a few stalks in the back, and then I planted a couple of the malvas there. Oh no, which are those? Those are the rose mallow, I think. And then the foxglove there. And then I potted up my little planter full of like the pansies, and then a few other, not exactly sure what they are. I think they're the stalks. They could be snaps. I don't know. Anyways, I got them all potted up, and we're just gonna let the rain do its work. I'm not going to water them in. And then there's the front planter and the second planter. And I decided to pot this one up, so I've got some pansies in there and the strawberry mint at the back. So it'd be nice to see some green and maybe some blooms soon.